Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this GMC Sierra key fob here. It works for these models 2022 and 2026 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2450 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here you see this small button, this button. And when you press this button, this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove this mechanical key, now it's time to remove this back piece. And the easiest way to remove it is just turn the fob like this to this side. This side here is the side with the buttons facing down. And we need to remove this piece. And the easiest way to remove it is now take the tip of the mechanical key and insert it right here in this hole over here, insert it. And now push up, and this way you can very easily remove this back piece. Alright, and now when you remove it, right after that here, you see your old dead battery. Now you can use the small flat screwdriver or the tip of the mechanical key, insert it here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery. And when you insert your new battery, make sure it's the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. Alright, and now when you place your new battery, just take this back piece again. Make sure you align it perfectly like this. Everything have to match perfectly and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob. Just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.